Hello, in this video I'm going to go through how to use feedback as a trigger for Simplebooklet on Zapier. So to start off, you want to be logged into Simplebooklet and in your dashboard, which is this page right over here. And once you've chosen the Simplebooklet you want to work with, you can go ahead and click Share right over here. And once you're in the Share tab, underneath the sharing options, you'll see a section called Meet Without Meeting. So once you set up a trigger for feedback, you do want to have your meeting set as active. So in order to set that up, you click Set Up and click Set End Date. And this is the date that you want your meeting to end. So we'll choose the end of this week. Click Apply. You can leave a message here for your viewers to see. And then click Copy. You can send this URL to the rest of your team so that they can send feedback either through video, audio, text, or reactions. And once you're done, click Done right over here. And you can see that your meeting is active until March 17th. So now we want to head over to Zapier to create a Zap for this. So on the top left corner, you want to go ahead and create Zap. And search for Simplebooklet. And underneath the App and Event section, for the Event drop-down menu, you want to click Simplebooklet Activity Notification. Click Continue. You'll be prompted to sign into Simplebooklet, but if you already are, you can go ahead and click Continue. And in the Trigger section, for the Simplebooklet Event drop-down menu, we want to select Feedback. And this will give you a notification on the specific platform that you end up choosing every time someone gives you feedback on your Simplebooklet. And for the Simplebooklet drop-down menu, I'm going to select my Simplebooklet and then click Continue. So in the Test section, you want to go ahead and click Test Trigger and then click Continue. So in this section, you can go ahead and choose any platform that you want your notifications to be sent to. So I'm going to choose Microsoft Teams. And for the event, I will choose Send Channel Message. And then click Continue. You'll be prompted to sign into your Microsoft Teams, and once you've done so, you can click Continue. So for the action section, you want to fill out the details, like choosing your Microsoft Teams and the channel that you want to have these notifications sent to. So I'm going to choose this first one here, and then the message you want to receive in that channel. And I'll choose the title. And once you're done filling out those details, you can click Continue. And in the test section, you can go ahead and click Test Action. Once you're done with all that, you can go ahead and click Publish at the bottom right over here, and then click Publish and Turn On. And now you'll receive a notification on that specific channel that you've chosen every time someone gives feedback to your Simplebooklet.